Hi, welcome to Fashionisers. Today's makeup tutorial is on the Versace Autumn-Winter 2016 fashion show as seen on Gigi Hadid. So I've started with already putting on my foundation, powder, concealer. I'm going to do a little contouring with the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. And just start contouring my cheekbones with a pointed contour brush. Forehead. Now I'm going to put a little bit of cheek color on with the Purity Cosmetics Pretty Naked palette in Pretty Naked Blush. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the luminizer as well. Just go over the top of that. I'm starting with the eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, starting with Strange on the very end and my number 13 Tom Ford brush, my favorite. I'm just gonna start laying down that base color. Now I'm going to take my MAC blender brush in 224 and just start working on that crease color. And then just to tie in the cheek color, I'm going to use that same blush that I put on from the Pretty Naked palette and kind of blend it in over that nooner. Now for the bottom of the lid, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette and use the Combust color and just get that all over the bottom lid. Now I'm gonna start with the eyeliner. There's a very heavy smoky wing liner in this. I'll start with the bottom using my eyeliner brush. I'm dabbing it in Black Market and again the Urban Decay Smoky palette. I'm just gonna start going along that bottom lid. Again, this is gonna be smoky, so it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it in a little after we get it on. Just make sure you get it on kind of heavy, because when you blend it, it will lighten up. Now I'm going to take a little bit of a fluffier angled brush that I like to use for eyeliner. This is Tom Ford number 12. And dip it in the Black Market again. And just kind of start and just kind of start like smudging that bottom lid a little. And this is also where you're going to start to create that wing on the top. This brush is actually really great for that, for combining the bottom to the top. You can see as I go up, it's gonna naturally create that flick. Now I'm going to start again with the regular eyeliner brush. And I'm gonna start on the inside corner of the top lid and just get a good heavy black line. You don't have to use this brush for the whole top lid, just till you get about midways, so you can get it nice and clean and narrow on the inside corner. Now I'm gonna go back and just kind of clean up some of those lines on the flick there. Now I'm going to just put on a couple of coats of my Dior Show mascara. Now a little highlighter, Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. Kind of put this all in the central area. brows using my Mary Kay clear brow gel. I'm gonna finish it off with this beautiful lip color. It's Rimmel London Kate Moss collection in number 80. And that finishes today's look.